My name is Suresh Kumar and today I am going to show you how you can make a homemade motor with a very easy concepts and small steps. In a regular DC motor we use in our home contains a lots of stuff which is not possible to made in our home. As you can see, regular DC motor consists of carbon brushes, commutator segments and all round the copper coils. Because of this, it is not easy to made in our home. So today I am going to talk about homopolar motor. What is homopolar motor? It is a kind of machine or motor which rotates unidirectional without help of commutator segments. What is the use of commutator segment? Commutator segments provides the unidirectional torque in the DC motors. Because of a splitted form of commutator segment, we get unidirectional torque. In the case of homopolar motor, we do not require any kind of commutator segments. We just provide a DC source from a AA type battery or niobium magnet and little amount of copper. Through this we can make a homemade motor and you can use it as a fun. So the circuit diagram I am going to show you. As you can see the circuit diagram of my homopolar motor, here is the battery. That one is AA type battery. This one is the magnet, niobium type. You can use any type of magnet, permanent magnet of circular disc type. Through this we are connecting the one pole with these copper coils to the other side of the batteries. The current's direction is, as you can see, going from this way and returning to the battery. Okay. From this magnet we are creating a magnetic field which is created from the north pole and going to the south poles. According to the Lenz law, we know that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field perpendicularly, then it experiences of forces. That force is necessary to provide the necessary torque. And here you can see this is the magnetic force, field force, and this one is the direction of current. Both current and magnetic field provides a necessary force to this conductor coils. With the help of Fleming's left hand rule, you can find out the direction of force. Forefinger, this one is the forefinger, this one is center finger and this one is thumb. Thumb gives the direction of motion, forefinger is for field and center finger is the for the current. So in the direction of current and field, I am making my position like this. This is the current direction, this is the magnetic field direction, and then force will be the innerwards. And from this side we can see this is the field direction, this is current direction, and the motion will be outerwards. Otherwise we can say that conductor will rotate like this, anti-clockwise direction. So this is our magnet, permanent magnet. You can use any type of permanent magnet in the disc form. Okay, I am using this AA type battery and this is our copper coil. I have made certain turns in order to make a uniform rotation. And here it is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. If you wants to change the direction of rotation, you will have to change the direction of any one. Either it is field or of current. So we have changed now the direction of magnetic field by changing this magnet, permanent magnet. So now you can see the direction of rotation is now reversed. It is rotating in the clockwise direction. So this is the way you can make your homemade motor by really a very easy steps. You can apply this at home and make a fun. Thank you for this. We will meet in next lesson. Thank you.